Guys, welcome to a Mystelics vlogs. I am about to head out to the other side of Dominica, the side that most people don't normally see, and that is going from Portsmouth to end up to go to Marigot's area. But the thing is, I'm not sure how far I can reach, so I'm gonna try to do a number of areas for you guys. Of course, you will see the aerial shot itself on Aerial Dominica. I will get to see and you'll get to see, you know, how things look and so forth. I know people are cleaning up and so forth, but the thing is, there will still be some kind of debris or some kind of thing going on where it'll show what kind of took place in the different areas. Yeah, we're cleaning up in Dominica, but it's still far from over. I'll try to do Paix Bouche, Dane, Vielle Case. Somebody wanted me to do the Prime Minister house, so we'll see if I can do that.
Take my hand and sit with me. Take my hand and come with me. Baby, we could possibly, baby, we could be more than friends. Take my hand and sit with me. Take my hand and come with me. Baby, we could possibly, baby, we could be more than friends.
I'll take your hand and come with you. I'll take your hand cause you are my baby. Girl, I know that we can be, baby, we could be more than friends. I'll take your hand and come with you. I'll take your hand cause you are my baby. Girl, I know that we can be, baby, we could be more than friends.
Take my hand and sit with me. Take my hand and come with me. Baby, we could possibly, baby, we could be more than friends. Take my hand and sit with me. Take my hand and come with me. Baby, we could possibly, baby, we could be more than friends.
So I stopped Borne and I say, let me see if I can just do a little clip in here of Borne. So we're going up in 3, 2, 1. For I know. In my haste to come to record this thing, since it's about 2 o'clock and you know sun is going down, I accidentally forgot the SD card in my computer. So I'm recording via my phone from the sky. I hope it's all good. It seems to be good on my phone so far, so.
Yo!
Boy, what's the word? I go on your side to record. Craziness on your side?
Huh?
Oh, how your side looking?
It's turn up, but they start to clean up already and so.
Okay, well we're about to check it out.
Yeah, man.
Alright, let's go. So guys, one of the reasons why I am doing this trip is not only for you guys to see different communities, but to see that the road is clear. I just passed a bunch of people clearing some of the landslides. One thing, there's a lot of landslides that took place around that side. And as Tyson said a while ago, they are doing a lot of cleaning up. So that's how it is, guys. So let's go. So yo guys, I just come out and do Dane area. It is not as bad as some of the other communities, but still some struggle going on. Of course, like I told you, they're cleaning up, but at the same time, the hurricane affected everybody. Anyways guys, let me head down to the next town and see what's going on. I got like 67% remaining, so let's see what we can do. There's a hole as well here as well, guys. And they kinda, I think, they kinda patched there up already, so that's a good vibe. Take your time, take your time.
Wait.
Yeah, what are you saying? Hold on. So this is where another landslide happened, but they cleared there already. Right, guys?
Yeah.
Easy.
Yeah, I pump for that.
No boy, that I pump.
Oh, man.
So why?
So if you burst, how If you have a
Nail will go in it, it'll stay in it, but it'll stay up.
nowhere.
But everybody have bicycle, somebody must have a pump. Check inside there somewhere, you must get a pump. Inside door, and you must get a pump inside there somewhere. Your tire burst or it leak in here, which one? But slow leak. All the best, bruh. This is another part of Dodan that I didn't get in the aerial shot. There are definitely some new rivers or rivers I haven't seen before. 365, no. We have about 1,000 rivers right now, give or take. Now I am in Dodan, guys. There's a lot of debris everywhere. Keep in mind that I'm recording from my phone, so I am limited right now. I'm still getting the shots. So I'm gonna do Paix Bouche. Paix Bouche is much bigger than the rest of the communities that I just did. So it should take a little more time, I guess. Boy. We're going up in 3, 2. To go this way to go up because normally I pass the other way because that's the way I know. I only did this way once with my partner Kimran, and that was it. So you say go this way,
Yeah.
and then until I reach you what?
A concrete road. Going across, you pass the back.
To go
T-bow and then you go down.
T-bow to go Vika. Okay. Where you going?
Boy, gas I want.
Well, go Posse and get gas.
Why I have to do that?
Yeah. Well, bless her, bro. Well, yeah, you can get your thing. They'll put it for you.
But what truck that?
A truck?
That.
What? That truck that come in there? A gas truck. I don't know where it going. Maybe Marigot. All right, bro. Bless up. So I don't think I got this. Yes, I didn't record this part, but you get to see some on the vlog. Boy? Yeah. Yes, I. As usual, roofs are gone. Hello. Alright, thanks a lot. Guys, this is kind of steep, so I'm gonna have to use my 2 hands for me to, you know, make it safely down. Almost there, almost there.
When the trumpet sounds, will you be ready to leave the ground? Yeah, and when you hear his voice, will you say you made the right choice?
Yes, guys, so as you can see, children of Itasi. Behind me is the Prime Minister's house. We're in Vielle Case right now, so I'm gonna head down to the starting of Itasi. I'm gonna fly up and see how far I can go because I only got like 45% remaining, so you will see some of what Vielle Case has. I have 45% remaining, so if I can't bring it back, I'm gonna have to land this in the park and go for it. Hopefully nobody takes it, but it has a track on it, so I'll always find out where it is. Anyways, guys, let's go.
gifted music. Yeah, boy. It's getting scared.
She well stable. Anyways, guys, we made it. Let me land her. We have 22% remaining. I just did Vegas, which is a good thing, and I'm happy about that. And I'm about to head back down to Portsmouth. Guys, give a thumbs up for the cleaning up that took place so far, because there's a lot of cleaning up that took place, and although there's still a lot of rubble and so forth, but give a thumbs up for, you know, the cleaning up campaign that has been done so far. And guess who come to meet me? Puss. This guy came from nowhere and just decided to come meet me. Anyways, guys, give a thumbs up for the cleaning campaign so far. And if you like this video and you want to see more, definitely subscribe and turn on your post notifications for you to get all the videos as they come through. Puss like the Mavic. Puss, you like the Mavic? Anyways, guys, remember.
The battery dead, man.
No, it has 22% remaining. Yeah. Anyways, guys, remember, be real, be positive.